Hello and welcome to my channel. It's a Tailored Life. My name is Taylor, and in today's video we are going to be doing a speed clean. I'm going to take my house from extremely messy to ready for guests in a little bit under an hour, and I'm going to show you guys all the tips and tricks that I do when I have someone coming over and I have to quickly get the house clean.
Still uncaught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down.
So I had to show you guys the mess that we are working with before we get started, and I know, don't judge me, I know it looks really bad, but that's why we're here. We're gonna get through this together. I had a little bit under an hour before we were expecting some people to come over, and so I decided to bring you guys along with me to quickly get this house clean and in order, and at least the spaces that I know for sure our guests are gonna see. So I just wanted to quickly clean up and get things ready, and I also wanted to show you guys how Lincoln colored on the floor, and there he is looking super cute. So I just kind of have to deal with it and clean it up. But let's go ahead and get started cleaning.
Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes.
So whenever I have a mess like this, especially if we have people coming over, the first thing I want to do is just work on the trash. So instead of just trying to clean area by area like I would normally do, I just decided to grab a trash bag, and I'm just going to walk through the entire house, and any trash that I see, anything that should be thrown away, I'm just going to pick it up and put it in this trash bag. I feel like that definitely helps speed things up, so this way when I go back to clean each room, I know I don't have to worry about picking up any trash, like that's already done. I just need to put items away in their home wherever they belong.
No more, we don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that you don't know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most.
So you guys will probably see a lot of dancing from Lincoln in this video while I am trying to clean and get the house together quickly. I turned on a YouTube video, Miss Rachel, and he loves Miss Rachel, and he loves singing and dancing with her while I'm cleaning. So she's a really good distraction. I really like her channel and what she does, but she's a really good distraction because I can get so much done. So now that I've picked up all the trash, I'm going to go into each room and go ahead and just start cleaning up. So I definitely want to start in the bathroom because I feel like when you have guests come over and they ask to use the bathroom, that's the one thing we're all worried about, making sure that the bathroom is really clean. And a quick and easy clean for me is just wiping the counters down and putting things away. It makes the bathroom look better so fast, but also giving the counters a good wipe down will help ensure that it smells fresh. And I do the same thing with the toilet. I'm a mom of young boys, so I know the toilet is an area that always needs to be clean. And I also took the trash out to make sure it's not smelling like anything at all. Not that our trash can smells, but I just feel like a fresh smelling bathroom will make people really comfortable. And while I was quickly cleaning, I noticed that the bathtub could use a quick wipe down, and even though we weren't expecting any guests that would be taking a shower or a bath, I just while I'm in here, I can quickly wipe this down. So if you're not new to my channel, you're probably used to seeing Lincoln show up literally every single time I clean the bathtub. Lincoln loves taking a bath or a shower, so anytime he hears the water come on, he comes running because he's like, is it my turn? Is it my turn to take a bath? But if you are new to my channel, let me just introduce myself. My name is Taylor. I am a wife. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have 2 boys. My oldest son, Jackson, is 7, and I have a 2-year-old Lincoln. Jackson goes to school during the day, and Lincoln stays at home with me. I love making videos on YouTube, and I love making like cleaning content. I also like meeting new people and just getting to know everyone. So if you're new here, definitely let me know in the comments. I would love to get to know you.
I just need my time, yeah. But they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. You seem too nice to be alone. So lonely.
Now we are moving into the kitchen, and I feel like the kitchen is very similar to the bathroom. Like if you can just get your counters cleaned off, it will make such a huge difference and make your kitchen look so much more clean. So I just want to focus on getting the counters cleaned off, making sure that things are put away. Like if I'm not doing a really deep clean, at the very least, I'm going to try to make sure that I have nothing on the counters that doesn't belong there. If there are a few things that I do have to leave on the counter, I'm gonna just try and like stack them neatly or make it look neat and not like things just scattered all over the counter.
You seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things, and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home. No, 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 no. I need some time. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I just wanna go home. No, 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 no. I wanna go home. Some I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long.
So if you do wash any dishes by hand, just go ahead, rinse them off, dry them, and put them away. I struggle with this, so I do not have a dish strainer because it forces me to dry and put my dishes away if I ever have to wash dishes. I don't like to leave them sitting in the sink because they usually will get dirty again if I leave them there, so I just try to dry them and put them away. But especially if you have guests coming over, just go ahead and dry them and put them away. Another thing I like to do is make sure the house smells good, and I have this Love Meg multi-surface cleaner. I had run out, but it comes with refills, so I just wanted to go ahead and refill that. But this smells like really, really good. It's the cucumber melon scent, and it also has like a minty scent to me, I would describe it, but it smells like really good, and it's kind of like a strong smell. I don't want to say strong because I don't want you to think that's an overwhelming smell, but it definitely makes your house smell really good. Like even after wiping down the counters, I kind of wipe the cabinets just to get that like smell good kind of everywhere all over the kitchen.
To give you my heart, yeah. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings.
So normally if we had guests coming over, I would definitely try and hide any laundry that I had in sight, but I had a few minutes, so I decided to go ahead and just fold this basket of clothes and get it put away, because I feel like when you have laundry, whether it's clean or dirty, if it's not folded and in a basket to a guest, it's gonna look like a basket of dirty laundry. So I just always try to make sure that it's not in sight if we ever have anyone come over. But I wanted to just, instead of folding these and just leaving them there or putting them in my room, I was like, you know what, I'll take a quick 5 minutes and just fold these up and put everything away.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask ya, asking all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me?
So after I've tidied up, I like to go in and spray the couch with this Tide antibacterial fabric spray. But don't be like me, because I sprayed it and Lincoln like definitely went right behind me and rubbed his hands in it. So if you spray it, try to make sure you don't have any little ones around when you do.
Do you want me? And will you let me down?
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhymes.
So whenever I have Lincoln home with me and I have to mop, because I usually try to mop, well, he's always home with me, but I try to mop when he's napping or playing in another room for sure with his brother or with my husband, so that he's not around, so that I can easily let the floor dry. But because he was home and with me today, I put him in his play area, which he doesn't always like being in there for a long time by himself. So I got my mop water ready first, and I just wanted to do everything first before I put him away so that I could mop. This makes it so that he's not in his play area for too long, and I'm able to peacefully like mop the floors with no problem. And I was able to easily get up that marker. Fortunately, it was just regular Crayola marker. It came right up. I have porcelain tile, so it doesn't really have any grooves or anything for it to stick to. But I was definitely a little bit nervous about it. I was like, I hope it doesn't stain or I don't leave it there for too long, but it came up really easy. And let me know, are you a broom person or a vacuum person? I go back and forth between the two. If you're not new to my channel, literally in one video, I can go back and forth between the two like so many times. I like them both, but sometimes in a big open space, I feel like I may miss spots going back and forth with the vacuum. But I feel like with the broom, I'm like pretty good at like getting all the areas and like seeing any crumbs, like making sure that I'm actually looking for them.
Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
And now we are all done. The house is clean. It smells amazing in here. I am ready to have guests over and not be embarrassed. And this definitely took me a little under an hour to get everything done, just working in these areas. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing if you have not done so already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.